The many features of the single-ended CD-PMD analyzer are controlled by the Windows-compatible software installed on the platform. Please refer to your platform's user guide for more information. The parameters you set will be kept in memory after turning off the platform. To configure the application details, from the button bar, tap Setup. Select the Application tab. Select the units to use for your measurements. If you want the unit to warn you when a test is complete, select the corresponding option. If you want your single-ended CD-PMD analyzer to keep the intermediate data when performing the analysis, select the corresponding option. To confirm and save the changes, tap OK. When configuring settings details, remember that you have the option to customize the index of refraction, IOR, modify the analysis range, specify threshold details, and enable or disable O-band measurements. For the analysis range, enter minimum and maximum wavelength values. The analysis range is the value used to calculate the ITU grid and the maximum value for the acquisition. Please note that the predefined thresholds in your single-ended CD-PMD analyzer cannot be changed or deleted. To select a predefined threshold from the thresholds list, choose Custom. This will make the chromatic dispersion and PMD sections editable. To confirm and save the changes, tap OK. Defining the automatic fiber name format. Finally, when defining the automatic fiber name format, each new acquisition will automatically generate a fiber name based on a predefined pattern. This name consists of a static prefix and a variable part that increments with each new acquisition. To define the fiber name format, from the main window, select the Fiber Test tab. Under Information, set the various parameters according to your needs. Note that the fiber name, cable ID, and automated additions to the file name, such as the date, can be set in the Preferences tab of the Setup window.